Thank you for coming, sir. Gentlemen, Miss Nas Malasarte.
Okay, I'm so appalled. Looking at all these wonderful people around me, I couldn't believe you were just boys in my class. Now, I bow to you. I bow to you. Now, it's not, hi boys, huh? During your time, it was boys high. And then now, it's boys and girls now. Okay, I am very privileged to address this group of people whom I love very much, my own students. It was 35 years ago, I couldn't believe it. Was it 35? 35. And that is just almost like yesterday. Okay? What can I remember? I remember most of those who were very diligent in my class, and those who were a bit lazy, or those who were absenos. Wala kayo in my class. Some are cutting classes sa ilang math, sa ilang physics, I don't know. But sa akong English, even that boy who was so naughty for absenteeism, muro man tuog. Diyag siya mo absent sa akong class. Nga naman, kaya it was not the first period. Ang first period man, mauman ko ang science or physics sa fourth year. Although his name when we decide on the final nga who is going to graduate, who is not going to graduate. Niya ako kaha, kay one unit naman ng English, niya na sciences, kay 2 units yung nila, kay laboratory and lecture. Muna yung ko, niya, sukol mo. As oral defense, ay yung mga bata. Okay, ako, di ko kung sa bata, I'm convinced that in my subject, it's really good. Although, sign away ko teachers. Kaya yun, so, malabad yung ko ng estudyante. How else? Kasi mo, supportan yung estudyante na wak mo sila about, you know, like, under my, let's of my ballpen. Ang inyong kinabuhin, you never hear me say that. Ibaludin mo, ha? As a teacher, ito rin yung mga doon. But I always tell you, be diligent, be consistent, and pastilan. Speak English well. And now, the proof is in the pudding. Hindi na pwedeng i-explain pa. You're all my evidence of work that has been done.
Thank you, ma'am. Do we have a token?